In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upscale AI videos in Grok Imagine. First, open your browser and head to Grok. Once you're on the home page, look to the left-hand side and click on Imagine. This is the creative workspace where you'll generate and enhance your media. When the Imagine panel opens, start a new project by clicking the plus sign. Think of this as creating a fresh canvas for the video you'll upscale. Next, use the Upload or Drop Images area to bring in your source media. Even though the label mentions images, this panel is where you'll provide the visual material the model can reference. Higher quality inputs tend to deliver cleaner upscale results, so avoid heavily compressed files if you can. Now, place your cursor in the Type to Imagine field. This is where you can guide the model with a concise description. A clear prompt helps the system understand the style or details you want preserved during generation and upscaling. If you have a specific frame or look to reference, click on Image to attach that visual guidance. A good reference can help maintain character consistency, color, and composition once you move to video. With your guidance in place, click on Video for now, then choose the resolution and duration that suit your needs. If you're planning to upscale, pick settings that match your target output and your system's performance. Shorter durations process faster, which is useful for testing before you commit to longer clips. For resolution, balance quality with speed. Starting at a moderate resolution can help you iterate quickly. When you're satisfied with your setup, click Submit or simply press Enter. Grok Imagine will begin rendering. Processing time varies based on resolution and duration, so give it a moment. You'll see your result appear in the feed once it's ready. To upscale, hover over your generated media and click the three dots on the right side. This opens the action menu for that post. From there, click Upscale. The system will create a higher resolution version using your existing result as the source. This preserves the motion and style while increasing detail and sharpness. After the upscale finishes, compare the versions to confirm improvements in edges, textures, and overall clarity. If something looks off, return to your prompt or reference image, adjust the resolution or duration, and submit again. Iterating in small steps helps you lock in the best balance of quality and speed. That's it. You've successfully upscaled an AI video in Grok Imagine from setup to final enhancement.